Today, we're in Sherman Oaks, walking to a garage that used to be, well, a bit of everything. At one point, it was a sound studio. Another time, it was a glorified storage closet. But for John and Jeff, this space held a dream: to make it into a legal, beautiful ADU home. A place for friends, family, and quiet time. When we started, let's just say it didn't exactly feel like home. The space was more chaos than comfort. There was orange walls, odd cutout windows, and the smallest half bath you've ever seen. It was giving pumpkin garage more than guest house. When demo began, we uncovered layer after layer of drywall. There was metal support, over-insulated walls, and some very creative structural decisions. We had just 344 square feet to work with, and we didn't waste an inch. To keep the space open and airy, a vaulted ceiling, a built-in Murphy bed that tucks away during the day and doubles as a bookcase. We have more shelves tucked under an arch window that makes a sunny little reading nook. In the kitchen, we went with scaled-down appliances to maximize space and custom cabinetry that made room for an extra window. Because who wants to cook in the dark? John and Jeff told us about a trip they took, an anniversary getaway to Hawaii. They brought back tile from that trip, and now it lives right in their shower. It's a memory built into the walls. There's a skylight in this bathroom that adds natural light without taking up wall space, giving us enough room for a floating vanity, custom shelving, and a tiled, arched niche in the shower that mirrors the window in the living area. It's the little things like that that make a small space feel luxurious. Before this was a tiny home, it was just a box. No personality, no story, no purpose. And now it's a legal, custom, full of intention ADU.